Welcome to Labii, and thank you for starting your trial with us. In this video series, we'll walk you through about Labii layout. Labii's interface is organized into three main sections. Navigation bar, located at the top. This lets you perform a quick search, access the support center, and manage your personal profile. Sidebar menu, found on the left. It provides quick access to key modules and important sections of the platform. Main content area. This is where the main page content is displayed. Depending on the section, it may show a list of records or detailed information for a specific item. Labii features two types of side menus. Main sidebar. This handles the primary navigation across projects and applications. It is displayed by default when no other contextual side menu is needed. The secondary sidebar is specific to each view. It displays based view details and other links that are relevant. The main sidebar is hidden and can be triggered by click the menu icon on the top navigation bar. Labii is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, with three main views for managing your work. Form view, used to add new records. List view, allows you to view and manage a list of records. Detail view, displays the full details of an individual record. These views make it easy to navigate, create, and manage your data efficiently. That's it for this part of your Labii tutorial. We hope this helped you feel more confident navigating the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your administrator or contact our support team. We're here to help. Ready for the next step? Click on the next video in this playlist to continue exploring Labii. Thanks for watching and welcome to Labii.